In this video, I'll show you how to tag tickets based on customer journey stage, making it super easy to track where your customers are in their journey, from awareness to decision making. If you're ready to streamline your support process and make your customer experience more efficient, keep watching. I'll walk you through everything you need to know in under 3 minutes, and stick around to the end for a special offer you won't want to miss. When you're tagging tickets based on customer journey stage, the goal is to organize your support efforts and better understand where each customer is in the buying process. This means setting up tags that will give you insight into how close they are to making a decision or needing further assistance. Start by identifying the key stages of your customer journey. Generally, these will be awareness, consideration, and decision. Now, let's break down how to tag your tickets based on these stages. For the awareness stage, customers are just starting to recognize their problem or need, and they're looking for solutions. When a ticket comes in from a customer asking about your product or service in general, you'll want to tag it with something like awareness or discovery. These tickets may include questions about your company or an introduction to your product. Next, when customers enter the consideration stage, they're weighing their options and exploring specific features. A ticket from a customer asking how your product compares to others or wanting more in-depth details about a feature should be tagged consideration. This is where you'll focus on educating them and addressing their concerns more specifically. Finally, in the decision stage, customers are ready to make a purchase or at least have made up their minds. These tickets typically involve specific questions about pricing, product availability, or the final steps in the buying process. You'll tag these tickets with decision or purchase intent. These are high priority because they're close to converting. Now that you know the stages, let's talk about how to implement this in your software. Most support software has a built-in tagging system. Go into your ticket settings and set up tags for each of these stages. If your software allows automation, set up rules that automatically tag tickets based on keywords in the message. This will save you a lot of time. It's also important to note that you don't need to overcomplicate your tags. Keep them simple, relevant, and easy to understand for your team. That way, when a ticket is tagged with consideration or decision, anyone on your team can quickly understand the customer's status and respond accordingly. One last tip: make sure your customer support team is trained to use these tags properly. The whole point of tagging is to streamline your workflow and make sure no ticket is missed. So it's important that everyone is on the same page about how and when to tag tickets based on customer journey stage. Key takeaway: tagging tickets based on customer journey stages helps you prioritize customer needs and provide more tailored support. By identifying where your customer is, whether they're in awareness, consideration, or decision, you can deliver the right response at the right time. To recap, define your journey stages, set up tags, and automate where you can. And don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial for our software in the description below if you want to follow along and see how it works in real time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.